Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is an install and review of an Enduro Engineering skid plate for my 2014 KTM 300 XCW. I've been riding more aggressively lately, and I thought it was time to add some armor to my bike. This plate retails for about $110, and considering a new case costs $600, the price was right. I know there isn't a lot to review on a skid plate. It either works or it doesn't, but how long it works is what I'm interested in. Between installing this skid plate and making this video, I was able to thoroughly test it during a trip to Moab. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see me case it 20 times because I forgot my GoPro when I headed out that morning. Because when you make videos about dirt bikes, why would cameras be a priority? Idiot! This bash plate didn't even notice when 500 pounds of bike and rider were bumbling their way up 5 miles of granite. As usual, Enduro Engineering made a solid product that will easily outlast my bike. You need to start with a clean frame because you will be installing an anti-rattle pad between the frame and the new skid plate. This plate mounts to factory holes in the front, and the back uses a hook and bolt. The front mounting holes can be tricky to get to, but a steady hand and patience will get you there. The rear hook system uses 2 flush mounting Allen bolts to attach the plate to the hook. This plate is a very tight fit, so you will need to keep the pressure on the plate when threading the rear Allen bolts so you don't strip them. You can remove the rear hook and drop the plate away from the frame for cleaning. Or, when you lay your bike on its side, to swap out the power valve spring and drop one of those bolts between the frame and the plate and can't get to it with your fingers or pliers like some guy did in Moab. If you have any questions about this skid plate, please let me know in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe.